Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Security Operations Center SOC Analyst, specifically about how to become and work as a SOC Analyst. Now let's have a look at the agenda. First, I'm going to talk about what is a SOC Analyst, and then followed by what do SOC Analysts do, and then the steps to become a SOC Analyst. Now, basically, a SOC analyst is actually the first responder to the cybersecurity threats and incidents, and they are the first who analyze the incidents. And usually, the SOC analysts will evaluate the situation and, if necessary, perform escalation to the senior analysts. And if you look at the three levels of SOC analysts, we have Tier 1, also known as the L1 Alert Analyst, Tier 2, also known as the L2 Incident Responder, and Tier 3, also known as the L3 SME, Subject Matter Expert, or Hunter. Now, what do SOC analysts usually do? In general terms, they usually perform the analysis using several security solutions such as the Security Incident and Event Management, SOAR, which is the Security Orchestration Analysis and Responder, if I'm not mistaken, EDR, the Endpoint Detection Response, Log Management, etc. And they usually clarifies whether the alarm from the SIEM is suspicious. And it requires a broad perspective, and it has to analyze many different situations. So the work or the job of the SOC analyst is actually quite, I would say, tough, because they need to analyze. They need to have the analytical skills. And these are the steps of becoming a security analyst, the SOC analyst. First, you will need to learn fundamentals, followed by creating the portfolio, having experience, getting the certifications, and then finally find the job. Now, I'll go down deeper to the steps to become a SOC analyst. These are some examples. You can actually start learning the fundamentals by learning about the IT fundamentals, ITF Plus by CompTIA. You could actually choose any other certifications depending on your needs. Yeah, where in CompTIA IT Fundamentals, you will learn about the hardware and software, and then followed by A Plus, where you can learn about the hardware, operating systems, and application. Network Plus, where you learn network fundamentals. Security Plus, where you learn security fundamentals. And then about the offensive, Red Team, you can learn it by studying the Pentest Plus or getting the Pentest Plus certifications, as well as the CompTIA CISA Plus, stands for the Cybersecurity Analyst, if you want to go for the Blue Team or Defensive. So these are what you need to learn that will build your fundamentals. And next is, once you have learned those certification and courses and the fundamental things about cybersecurity, you also need to create portfolio, perhaps by having a LinkedIn profile, write in Medium, Reddit, or any other platforms. And maybe you can start by writing several interesting topics such as OWASP Top 10, Red versus Blue Team, and even like why Blue Team is important. Yeah. Then how to get experience? You can actually start by having the internship, or sometimes they also call it as on-the-job training in the field of Blue Team. That will make it easier, the process easier. If you are a university student or college student, you can make it clear that you want a career in a Blue Team by doing your internship specific to this field, right? And of course, for certification, there are many different certifications, security certifications, where you can actually learn network security, identity and access management, security architecture and engineering, asset security, risk management, testing, security operations, and so on. But when it comes to SOC, red and blue team certification, these are the most recommended. Like SOC 1, alert analyst, it is recommended to have like CompTIA Security Plus and MITRE attack framework. While to become SOC L2, incident responder, you are actually required to, or most highly recommended, or highly, very really recommended by me to attend and get the CompTIA Security Certification, CompTIA Security Plus, MITRE Attack Framework, followed by CompTIA CISA Plus, Pentest Plus, MITRE Framework, MITRE Attack Framework, and then cyber intrusion detection and analysis and incident response. So you can learn from basic to intermediate to advanced. As for the SOC 3, SOC L3, SME or Hunter, this would be related to the subject matter expert. So you need to learn a lot, like Security Plus for the fundamental, for the basic MITRE attack framework, followed by CompTIA CISA Plus, followed by Pentest Plus, MITRE attack framework intermediate level, and then also CompTIA CASP, CompTIA Advanced Security Practitioner, cyber security intrusion detection and analysis, as well as incident response, just like what you have in SOC L2, the advanced level cyber intrusion detection and analysis, as well as the incident response. Yeah, so these are the recommended security operations center knowledge and skills development. Now, in order to find job, of course, once you have built your portfolio and everything, you learn many things, fundamental plus intermediate to advanced level of certifications that will build your knowledge and skills, then it's time for you to find a job. Jobs related website would really help you, like LinkedIn, Monster, Gulf Talent, JobStreet, JobsDB, and other jobs related websites. You can find jobs, SOC analyst related jobs by using these keywords like SOC analyst, cybersecurity analyst, L1 analyst, or tier 1 analyst. These are the keywords. For example, you can use the keyword SOC analyst in LinkedIn, where you can find different type of jobs. Yeah. Related to the security operations center. Sometimes they use the term cybersecurity analyst rather than SOC analyst. Okay, so if you go to this website, yeah, so here LinkedIn, you can just search by typing SOC analyst. Yeah, that will actually allow you to get a lot of different results, as well as using keyword cyber security analyst. Okay, so you can use the LinkedIn, Monster, JobStreet, JobsDB, and even things like TripleByte or Gulf Talent. Okay, all right, so now they changed this to TripleByte. Yeah, no more Gulf Talent. All right, so I hope that you could actually get some ideas about becoming a SOC analyst that will allow you to work in a security operations center. Okay. Yeah, that's my video for now. Thank you very, very much for your kind attention, and I hope that I can also create more videos that will allow you to learn more things in the cybersecurity area. All right, thank you very much for your kind attention. See you next time. Bye bye.